More sessions do not always mean more progress. Sometimes what's missing is structure. Without a clear recovery system, healing can feel repetitive, confusing, and incomplete. Not because you are failing, but because the process has never been clearly defined. Chitta provides a premium trauma recovery pathway with clear stages: stabilization, processing, integration, and independence. Start your recovery pathway with Chitta today. Begin your intake now. Take charge.